Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 85 Goodwin Avenue in Swalecliffe. Of course, Swalecliffe is a really nice and popular residential location, only a few moments away from the seafront of Swalecliffe, and of course, Tankerton is only a few minutes away as well. So this property gives you a really good option to move straight in and just needing to put your stamp on things, just to get your style in here and make it exactly the way that you'd want it to be. Of course, you've got two bedrooms at the front and they're both a good size. We're in bedroom number 1 here, and you can see that you've got that nice little bay window there at the front, just letting all of that natural light through, and you can see onto the front driveway there you've got some off-road parking as well. So it's a brilliant 2-bedroom semi-detached bungalow, and I think that this property offers a really good opportunity to get into a very nice residential location. So coming through here into bedroom 2, you can see again a really good sized room, and all you need to do here is put your stamp on it. It's a really good sized room that you can either use as a bedroom or perhaps as an at-home study. It's completely up to you. So we'll finish off and crack on with the rest of the tour. So here we are in the main family bathroom, and as you can see you've got the bath unit there as well as the large shower unit just around the corner there as well. And you've got of course those two frosted windows just letting all of that natural light through. So this is a really nice luxurious space that you don't need to do anything to, one less thing to worry about, and you can really relax in this space and enjoy it. Here we are now in the main lounge area, and as you can see it's a really good size. You've got the access there through into the kitchen, and you've also got the access through to the conservatory, which is a really nice addition with this bungalow. So a really good size lounge area, and as we just look through there into the kitchen, you can see the kitchen is going to be a really nice immaculate space that there's nothing there for you to do really. It's all done. So here we are in the kitchen, and like I said, it's a nice, easy, clean and open space that you can enjoy. There's nothing here to do whatsoever, and you've got that side access point there through to the side of the property, and you've got that nice window just overlooking the rear garden there as well. So really nice open space, clean, contemporary and modern finish here. Here we are in the conservatory, which as you can see is a really good sized space. It's nice that you can have a second reception area, perhaps where you can have a dedicated dining area, or perhaps bring a lounge through here and you can enjoy the space all year round. Of course, in the summertime you can throw those doors open and really enjoy your garden to the best of its ability. So I've left you to have a good look around the rear garden, and as you can see, it's a lovely, lovely space. What I'm going to do now is we'll show you around to the side access where you can access this shed from the front as well. So you've got this nice bit of storage space around the side here. So with this 2-bedroom semi-detached bungalow, I'd definitely give us a call. It's in a really popular family location, and of course you're only a few minutes away from the seafront at Swalecliffe. So please do give us a call to find out a little bit more about this wonderful bungalow.